Hey guys, in today's video I've got something very cool. It's a Su-25 part that was shot down over Ukraine. Let's open it up. So this is the front of the box. Heroics of Ukraine. Alright. Let's open it up. Wow. This is nice. Thank you for ordering. Whoa. Now this is cool. It's an actual part of an Su-25 fighter plane. In comparison, it's about the size of it's about the height of a 737 MAX 8. Overall, it's insane. It's really cool. However, it's not fully enclosed. It's just like a dome over, so you could touch it and just like, it's really cool. And then there's a QR code right here. And yeah, it's limited edition too. And it did come with other things as well. Came with the envelope. It comes with a certificate of conformity. Pretty cool. And a woolen handmade Ukrainian heart. Pretty cool. Let's see it. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. I think it's like an ornament or keychain. It can be used for whatever. This is pretty cool. I want to see what's in the envelope right now. Ooh, it's magnetic too. Glory to Ukraine. Should be one couple of things inside. Wow, it comes with a magnet and a business card. Let's see if there's anything else. Yep, I see one other thing. Alrighty, you get this Ukraine sticker.